Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you through setting the default signature type for signers in BoldSign. A signature type refers to the distinct methods or formats signers can use to authenticate their signatures. Currently, BoldSign offers support for 3 signature types, including draw, text, and image. The draw signature type allows signers to draw their signature directly on the screen during signing. The next one is text. By default, this option is the default signature type, allowing signers to choose their preferred signature from the auto-generated styles. The last is image. This allows the signers to upload their signatures in the image format from their computer. Setting a default signature type helps the signing process, ensuring a consistent and professional appearance across all documents. It is useful in various scenarios where a standardized and professional document signing process is essential, such as legal agreements, contracts, or any instance requiring a uniform and polished appearance. Let's consider a scenario where a legal advisor manages legal documents in a law firm. The legal advisor is tasked with sending legal contracts to clients for signature. Recognizing the risk that clients may adopt inconsistent signatures, potentially causing confusion or challenges in verifying the authenticity of signatures, the legal advisor decides to set a default signature type in the absence of the default signature type. Let me demonstrate how to do that in detail. First, I access the BoldSign application page and expand the settings menu. I choose Business Profile to navigate to the Business Profile page. Only the account administrator can access the Business Profile settings. Next, I move to the Signature Types section. Here, there are 3 signature types. You can select the required signature type for signers, according to your preference. The signature type chosen is automatically reflected in the default signature type field. If multiple signature types are enabled, you need to specify the default signature type. During signing, when the signature field is clicked, it will open with the default type you selected. However, signers can use any of the other signature types you enabled here. In this case, I am going to select the image option only. I then save my changes by clicking the Save Changes button. Whenever the legal advisor sends signature requests to the clients will sign the document using the selected default signature type. The legal advisor needs to send the legal contract to the client for signature. To do this, I click the Create New button and select Create New Document. This takes me to the Prepared Document page, where I upload the legal contract form in the Add Files section. Next, I enter the client's details in the Add Recipient section. Once that's done, I click the Next button. This takes me to the Configure Fields page, where I set the form fields. I'll drag and drop the signature and date signed fields for signature and date. I then check the changes made once and send the document for signature. Next, I will switch to the signer's side and show you how the default signature type feature works. When I click the Review and Sign button in the Signature Request email, I am navigated to the signing page. The Date Signed field is automatically populated. Here, I need to review the document and add the signature. When I click the Signature field, the image signature type specified in the business profile opens. The supported formats are also included. There is no other signature type available. I then browse the signature file from my computer by clicking the Browse button. Once that's done, I complete the signing process by clicking the Complete Signing button. That's all about setting and working with the default signature type in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.